All right, folks. Thanks for checking out the video. I want to talk today about a report on Infowars that says exclusive Biden admin preparing to bring back full COVID restrictions, rollout to begin mid September. TSA and Border Patrol whistleblowers have alerted Infowars of a Biden administration plot to unleash a full COVID lockdown that will begin in September. Goes on to say the first source, a high level TSA official confirmed and known to Infowars, reached out to Infowars and cited a Tuesday meeting in which TSA managers were told new memorandums and policies were being completed that would reimplement masking starting with TSA and airport employees as early as mid September. The TSA official also said next week they will receive new guidelines on how the policy will escalate. By mid October, mask wearing will be required by pilots, flight staff, passengers, and airport patrons. After hearing from the TSA manager, Infowars reached out to our trusted Border Patrol source, who is also a manager. This source confirmed the same directives were being given to Border Patrol. They were told it was not a matter of if, but when official COVID numbers will go back up, and they expect by mid October a return to forced masking policies that the Biden administration previously only reluctantly ended after massive pressure. Both whistleblowers were told this rollout will be in tandem with the new COVID variant hysteria that the MSM has been reporting on this week. Infowars analysis is clear. This new rollout's timing is perfect for the embattled Biden administration to put the country back in a state of civil emergency and even martial law to further divide and confuse the public and move forward with the greatest election meddling in history. So I can't say I'm surprised to hear about this. Obviously, this is just a report. We don't, I haven't confirmed the information myself, but I've been saying for a while now that there is going to be a crisis leading up to the 2024 election. Now, it could just be the reimplementation of COVID. They could just say, well, COVID's back and everything that went along with that is back in effect as well. It could be some type of cyber attack, particularly on the financial institution. It could be a terrorist attack that gets blamed on Russia. Something like that. I really, really strongly feel that something along those lines is going to happen, like I said, leading up to the 2024 election. Now, obviously, we know that there's a large percentage of people in this country who will just do what they're told. The administration tells you to wear a mask, these people will wear a mask. Get a jab, they'll get a jab. They don't ask questions, they don't think, they just do as they're told. Now, we saw the way certain states handled COVID the first time around, okay? Certainly, if you live in a state that has a Democrat governor, they are going to be in full lockstep with whatever the Biden regime tells them to do. That's just a fact. Okay, so maybe this report will come true. Maybe it won't. It certainly, in my book, seems very plausible. It's very plausible. So we'll just sort of have to stay tuned and see if this comes to fruition. In the meantime, I mean, I would always recommend to have some food on hand, have water, make sure that you're taking care of your health, that you're getting exercise, that you're getting all the vitamins and minerals that you need on a daily basis to keep your immune system and your cardiovascular system working in a efficient manner, because we don't know what they're going to roll out. They could, I mean, we know with virtual certainty that what they were calling COVID was actually an engineered virus. Okay, this wasn't something that just naturally happened. So they could be preparing to roll out a totally new virus. It's very possible. So I thought this was interesting here. Obviously there's, you're not going to see this type of report on CNN or Fox or MSNBC or, any of the big three networks. So I think that this is important to get out, and it's important that we're vigilant against any type of thing like this that they try to pull on us again. So let me know what you all think. And as always, we'll see you on the next one.